May pera ba sa labada? Laba o bawi? I'm Vincent De Matera. I'm the CEO and founder of Bulya Crave Group of Companies. Tandang-tanda ko pa yung sense, nandyan pa rin sa akin yung amoy ng sabon. Kung paano nagsimula ang lahat nanto. Isa akong IT professional. Dumating ako sa Maynila na mag-isa. Nasanay po ako na naandyan si Mama para maglaba ng aking mga damit. I immediately realized na it's time for me to grow up. I'll be the independent person that I needed to be. That growth started me looking at doing my own laundry clothes. Halos meron akong isang buwan na parang hindi maganda yung nagiging laba ko. Araw-araw na ginawa ng Diyos, iniisip ko, ano ba ang magandang detergent?
Hindi ko namamalayan na yung paglalaba ko na yun is nagiging passion ko na siya.
And with that, doon ko na-realize, oo nga pala, no, lahat tayo kailangan magpalit ng damit. What I felt is not just the procedure of paglalaba. What I felt is the passion that I needed to bring that quality service. And that's where I started looking into laundry business. Sabi nga nila, if you can change the world, at least change something. Kasama ang dalawang partner ko, nagkaroon kami ng idea na ano kaya, sumama tayo dun sa concept ng self-service laundry business. And that's where Bulya Crave started. Si Bulya Crave, ang motto namin is mas maraming bula, mas maraming taong natutulungan, mas maraming labahin at dumi na nalilinisan. We started with the method of approach of having a self-service laundry business, full drop-off service laundry business, and mixed and combined with the pickup and delivery traditional style of laundry business. Having that hybrid setup makes us wanna give the Filipino people that quality in service na deserve natin to. I am confident enough that I have given all of my clients that passion, drive, and quality of service. Si Bulya Crave nabuo nang dahil may purpose kami. Ang gawin na malinis ang bawat labahin ng bawat Pilipino sa Pilipinas. Malaki ang naging role ng pagiging IT ko, professional, dahil ang ating machine also implies technical hardware. It has its own parts, mechanism, and own system. Not only for hardware, but also for software standards. Dumaan din ako sa maraming pagsubok para maintindihan ng maigi yung machine natin. So, we learn from our mistakes. At malaking bagay na lahat kaming tatlo ay IT. Lahat namin na pag-uusapan technically yung mga procedures, ano pa yung pwede naming ma-improve na kami ang pwedeng makapag-contribute. Dumaan din kami sa maraming pagkakamali. Paminsan nga, maraming litanya ng customer. Bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan? Bakit ganyan? We have to go through that. Sa totoo lang, nung naging technical ako sa paglalaba, doon ko na-realize, marami palang pasikot-sikot yung paglalaba. Hindi lang pala siya basta kinukusot lang. Our clothes represent who we are. Throughout the middle of my journey as a laundrypreneur, may nakilala akong mag-asawang nagturo sa akin kung paano yung pinaka-importanting detergent, which is yung humility. There was a time in my life that I thought I was the best. And feeling ko, lahat ng taong nakikilala ko at nakakausap ko ay nasa laylayan ko. Yung dalawang yon ang nagpa-realize sa akin na hindi ibig sabihin may narating ka na sa buhay mo, nasa taas ka na. But by the end of the day, it's who you are as a person. One really good example of which is kung nasaan man ako ngayon. Nabubuhay ako with intentions and purpose. Gusto ko lang din sabihin yung dalawang tao na nagbigay sa akin talaga ng pure mentorship talaga. Yung partners namin, yung pinaka-main namin na distributor. Sila yung nagbigay sa akin ng pinaka-push na kung sa paano ko i-achieve yung mga goals ko bilang isang laundrypreneur in terms of coaching, mentorship. Grabe ang nakuha ko sa kanila. These guys believe in me day one pa lang. Achievements, awards, trophies. Sometimes, it doesn't really mean anything. What really satisfies me is the number of lives I change. In order for me to give back to the community is I have to give all of my knowledge in order for me to change the lives of my fellow countrymen. At dahil doon, maraming nakakapagtrabaho. Maraming employment na nabibigay. Yun yung legacy na gusto kong iwanan sa bawat Pilipinong mamamayan. Sabihin na lang natin, itong mukhang to, nagawa niyang abutin ang mga pangarap niya. Mas lalong kayo, kaya niyong gawin yon. Hindi lang laundry business ang negosyo sa Pilipinas. Marami pang negosyo. Ang kailangan mo lang ay magsimula. At sana ang istorya ko ay tumatak sa inyo para maging inspirasyon sa inyo. Gusto kong gawin tong show na to para ibida yung mga success stories dahil nag-take risk sila. Itong mga tao na to, bawat isa sa kanila may storya. These are the people who are curious enough to learn more, curious enough to change their lives, and I'm so happy to present to you these entrepreneurs. I am Vince, your Chief Laundrypreneur. Remember, hanggat may nagpapalit ng damit, may naglalaba. Hanggat may naniniwala, may nagtatagumpay. Samahan niyo ako, kilalanin natin ang mga taong nangarap, lumaban at nagtagumpay. Welcome to the life of the Bullionaires. Sa bawat negosyo, merong isang taong palagi naglalakas ng loob. Tinatry niyang i-achieve ang standard. However, hindi lang standard ang na-achieve niya, kundi isa siya sa mga naging benchmark ng industriya. Isa siya sa mga naniniwala na hindi lang pagnenegosyo ang kailangan sa buhay, kundi ang paniniwala at pananampalataya sa Poong May Kapal. I-welcome natin ang pioneer billionaire ng Bullia Crave, si Miss Mary Rose San Luis.
Hi to everyone, to the viewers of Bullionaires, and it's actually a big honor po to be here, to be part of this pilot episode po.
Sa dami ng pwedeng inegosyo, bakit laundry business?
I was actually first a freelance consultant for laundry business. So nag-isip ako, maliban sa being a consultant, ano yung pwede kong simulan na negosyo that will not be very hard to manage, na hindi ikukonsumo too much of my time. And at the same time, hindi mananawa ang tao. Ano ba yung necessity ng mga tao? Many people are very busy na, and many people want convenience. Ang sarap magbihis, pero nakakatamad maglaba. I consulted my husband kung gusto niya po ba yung business idea. So, doon kami nagsimula po. And at the same time, I was inspired sa mga clients ko po na nakapagtayo po ng laundry business. That's why I tried also to set up my own so I can actually help them effectively, efficiently, kung paano nga po ba talaga nagra-run ng isang negosyo. So from one branch, it multiplied. Right now, we're not just a laundry shop, but we also actually sell the business na din po to other aspiring laundrypreneur.
Na-mention mo yung multiple branches. Ano ang pinaka-importanting aral na natutunan mo sa pagpapalago ng Laundry Dream PH?
Before kasi what I am chasing is always profit, income, natural na isang mindset ng isang nagnenegosyo. But of course, sa buhay kasi natin na nagnenegosyo, even our usual life po, we have our ups and downs. Before you seek the wealth of the world, you seek first who gives the blessing. You seek first who is the provider. You seek first who is the source. And that's none other than the Lord, the one na nasa taas po. Natutunan ko na to surrender everything sa Kanya and consulting Him first before I make decision. Next thing din po, the importance of credibility and reputations. Ang una mo kasing bibilhin sa kanila is yung reputation and credibility niya na alam mong hindi ka lolokohin, alam mo na yung produkto niya na hindi sasablay, kasi inaalagaan niya yung reputation niya, yung credibility niya sa industriya.
So, just to segue lang, no, Miss Rose, ano ba yung produkto natin?
We're in the line of LG commercial laundry machines. So what we do, we're not actually just selling machines po. What do? We sell the business concepts. So para po yung mga aspiring laundrypreneurs ay hindi po mahirapan magtayo ng negosyo.
Paano ba namin, both LG and Bullia Crave, help you and Laundry Dream to keep the quality that your customers keep coming back for?
Sa industriya natin, there are many dealers na ang gusto lang ay take ng take, but they don't give. Kayo pong mag-asawa, si Ma'am Glyze, you help us all the way, hindi lang sa supply ng machines, but also kung paano pa mapapa-improve yung services natin. Kasi kapag hindi po maganda ang service, your name will be affected too, and then the name of the brand will be affected. Kaya I'm very grateful to LG, to Big Wash, and to Buller Crave po. You're the best partner in the industry.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Sabi nga nila, that the best business is to give people the business. Ano ang pinaka-fulfillment mo ngayon? Yung profit ng multiple branches mo o yung livelihood na nabibigay mo?
I can say both po. Wag po tayo maging impokrito. Nagdinegosyo po tayo because we want to get profit. At the same time, it became fulfilling kapag nagiging source tayo ng livelihood ng ibang mga tao. And alam niyo po to, Sir Vince, that Laundry Dream started with 3 persons only.
Yes.
And then lumaki na lang po ng lumaki because of your help and your support din po. So I believe na dapat nang uunahin sa negosyo, tinuro mo din to sa akin, serve your purpose first. Para saan mo siya ginagawa yung negosyo? For the community, for the people na gagamit ng makina, for the people who will set up the business, and for the people na katulong mo sa negosyo.
That's very right. That's the discipline of a laundrypreneur.
Yes.
Na mabibuild mo talaga along the way. And with that, the success will follow. May bonus question kami dito sa Bullionaires. Ito yung mga hot seat question namin.
Parang nakaka-pressure.
Question number 1 is, ano ang nagbago sa buhay mo?
Ako pa rin naman to, si Mary Rose pa rin naman to, just that a better version na ng mas natuto na sa buhay and may mas purpose na, mas driven purpose na.
Ito, second bonus question. Ano ang mabibigay mong payo sa mga gustong mag-laundrypreneur?
So marami din gustong magtayo ng laundry business pero lagi may fear. So to you guys who are watching and gusto magkaroon ng laundry business, please take the leap of faith and please wag po kayong matakot magkamali. Go start it now. Just make sure lang po talaga that you find the right partner for the business. Kung kayo po ay nag-guide ng maayos, if you were given all the information that you need when starting the business, I believe you can be successful.
Bago tayo magpaalam, isasalang muna kita sa ating Bullionaire Challenge. Magbibigay ako ng 4 na senaryo, isasagot mo lang, laba, which is malapit sa laban, or bawi. Ready ka na ba?
Yes.
Okay. Question number 1 natin. May pera ba sa labada? Laba o bawi?
Siyempre laba. Hindi naman siguro ako tatagal sa negosyong to kung walang pera sa labahan.
Next po. Mabilis kumita ang laundry shop.
Laba.
Gano'ng katagal ba bago makakuha yung ROI nila?
Depende sa location, depende din sa accountability and sipag, pero pinakatagal na ang 12 to 18 months.
One of the last questions natin, mas maraming lalaki ang nagpapalaba kaysa babae. Laba o bawi?
Laba.
Bakit?
Kasi kayo yung mga utusan namin. Kasi kami nagluluto sa bahay, nag-aalaga ng mga bata. Kaya yung inuutusan namin laging pumunta ng laundry shop, mag-drop ng labahan, mag-pick up ng labahan.
Last question, laundry business is a passive income, laba o bawi?
Laba. Siguro hindi naman ako makakapagtayo ng ibang negosyo or ibang branches kung ang laundry business ay hindi siya pwedeng maiwan. Or kung ang laundry business ay kailangan lagi ang negosyante ay nandoon.
Thank you for taking our challenge. Any words of advice, last words of advice for our audiences?
So for those aspiring laundrypreneurs or sa mga ibang gusto pong magnegosyo, put your trust in Him. Marami pong say ang mundo, malilito ka which one is right, which one is wrong. So to everyone, may word of wisdom to share with you. Put your trust in Him and He will be the one to make your path straight.
Isang matibay na pananampalataya, isang pusong laging pinipiling lumaban. Mary Rose, thank you for being our pioneer, Bullionaire. Again, this is Vince, your Chief Laundrypreneur. Remember, hanggat may nagpapalit ng damit, may naglalaba. Hanggat may naniniwala, may nagtatagumpay. Samahan niyo akong kilalanin pa natin ang mga taong nangarap, lumaban, at nagtagumpay. Welcome to the life of the Bullionaires!